Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jen Rodriguez from Marasagara Channel, a faith healer, also tarot reader. So ngayong hapon na pagpilihan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 4 hanggang November 10 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik, liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, please give information po. Ano kayong gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Ito na, unang linggo, unang pasabog. Alamin na natin yan. Paano kayo buhulabugin ng eksena na to? Angel Spirit. Oh my God, this is something magician. Ooh, something powerful. No? Being authority. Oh, magician, something powerful. I guess this is something manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na ma-manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na may sa katuparan. Mag-iingat ka lang sa mga bagay o nasa paligid mo na pinaniniwalaan, no? And because this is something, the King of Pentacles, is something yung security and practicality. Maging practical ka pagdating sa finances. There's a Queen of Cups, something healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing dito. And there's a mother figure na maaaring pinagdalaroan ka. No, maaring there's something trickery na maaring niloloko ka, ganun. And there's the word ka for success, na maaring magsasuccess ka. There's something travel around the world, na maaring magkaroon ka ng travel, lot of recognition, promotions, no, additional messages. And there's a success, that victory is yours. And the Page of Pentacles for investment, no? Manifestation, may mga bagay na unti-unti ka na ma-manifest, or something, may mga bagay dito na maaring magbigay sa'yo ng investment, no? Or kailangan mo mag-invest. Additional messages. And there's the Hangman reverse, something of new perspective. Baguhin ang pananaw, baguhin ang mindset, baguhin yung sistema. Additional messages with a magician. With the Wheel of Fortune, wow! This is the power of God with the turning to your favor. And the Wheel of Fortune is something destiny. Ang kapalaran mo ay maaaring ipinagkakaloob na ng ating Panginoon. Maaaring inilalantad na ang mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. No? Kumbaga, eto na, nasa premonition mo na. No? Parang may pangitain na eto na, malapit na ang biyaya. A blessing is yours. There's an Eight of Pentacles with a focus and being dedicated sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No? Kung kailangan mag-focus, tutukan yan, and this is something, the Three of Pentacles with the collaboration. Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-connections, no? Kumbaga may mga tao sa paligid mo na there's something inggit, no? There's a Three of Pentacles with the co-workers, no? Na naiinggit sa'yo, mag-ingat. The word can represent the Ten of Wands, so something burden. Sa mundong ginagalaw mo, maraming maraming traitor, mag-iingat ka, maraming balakid. What is the Page of Pentacles? Represent the Three of Cups. Now, there's something celebration. Invest wisely. No? Matuto ka mag-invest your time, your effort. No? There's a Three of Cups with something of parties. Celebrations. The Hangman reverse represent the Knight of Swords. Lutang ka. May balisa dito, lutang. What is the Magician? Because the Wheel of Fortune. This is the King of Cups, devoted for the person. Na itong tao na to, there's something information na talagang para kayo sa isa't isa. There's something soulmate, twin flame, and of course, talagang, diba? Talagang para kayo sa isa't isa, ganun. What is the King of Pentacles? Because the Eight of Pentacles, so this is the Sun card. Ooh, this is something if you're positive about ka. Mag-focus ka lang, maliliwanagan ka. Magiging magandang kalalabasan niya about sa business, sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. The Queen of Cups is the Three of Pentacles, represent the chart card. You need to take an action for this. Kailangan mong kumilos na mag-ingat ka sa bawat kilos at galaw. Mag-ingat ka rin sa pakikipag-collaborate, sa pakikipag-transactions, gano'n. The word card, the Ten of Wands, represent the Seven of Pentacles with the harvest time. So, mag-harvest ka. No? Kung may trouble ka dito, no, kung sinasabi dito, matatapos na rin yung bigat at problema pinapasan mo, obligasyon, responsibilidad. There's a Seven of Pentacles with the harvest time. Fruit of labor to. No? What is the Page of Pentacles? Because the Three of Cups. Represent the Knight of Wands more slowly but surely. Na mabagal man pero sinisigurado na itong opportunity na to ay maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng celebration. At itong opportunity na to ay maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng something development. The Hangman reversal is the Knight of Swords. Represent with the Ten of Pentacles. So this is something long term. Magiging maganda ang finances and of course magiging secure din ang finances mo. Isa to sa nagiging problema dito with your stress and depression, yung finances. No, masyado ka na guguluhan, no, masyado kang maraming iniisip. Additional messages for the outcome. So this is a Six of Swords with the transition at makakaalis ka na rin sa situation. The Ace of Cups, something, a love offer, a new love coming in for you. And this is something, a Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities. No, yung kay hinat na ng eksena, malayo pa lang tanong muna. No, yung mga plano or gagawin mo about dito sa love offer. About naman sa finances and career, there is something Three of Wands, so waiting for a ship. Kung may hinihintay ka resulta, maaaring dumating na. There is something document papers, no? And there's a trouble. And because this is something temperance for divine timing, no? This is something divine intervention. Paalala sa'yo ng ating divine, you need to pay attention. Nasa kung naman yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo, no? Kailangan mo mag-report. Or kailangan mo tawag dito, alam-alam, no? Additional messages about sa finances. So this is something the lovers. Connected yung love life and career mo, ha? There's just something partnership. Pagdating sa love life, this is a Page of Cups, something intuition. Tama ka sa gut feeling mo. Conclusion mo, there's a something Queen of Pentacles with a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. And because this is something King of Wands. So, kumbaga nakikita mo na kagad yung posibilidad pagdating sa relasyon. Kumbaga mataas ang ano mo dito na gusto mo itong tao na to. Kumbaga business-minded, gusto mo itong tao na to. Kumbaga marunong humawak ng pera or marunong kumbaga magpaikot ng pera or marunong mag-manage, mag-control. There's a something intuitions, no? Additional messages about sa health. There's a star card for healing. Magkakaroon ka ng healing dito, guys, ha? And this is a justice card. Don't you worry. There's a karma is waving. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano man yung mga bagay na nararanasan mo ay may kaakibat na karma yan. And this is something healing, guys. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng healing dito and miracles. May himala talaga. And the justice will be served. Balance and, of course, the consequences. Now, pagdating naman tayo sa magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Autumn, wow, harvest moment. Talagang this is the week for your harvest moment. And this is something emotional healing. Magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing dito, guys. No, kumbaga mag-heal na lahat ng pain, no, ng guilt. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Limitation, fears, no? Kailangan mo labanan ng takot at pangamba mo. Limitahan mo yung kumbaga takot mo dyan. Kumbaga it's an illusions and delusions. And air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. May kinalaman ka sa Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And there's a twin flame energy. No? Maaring twin flame kayo ng person mo. And there's an ancestor guide. So may kumaga gumagabay sa mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. And there's a third party. So see, there's a something, a friend of yours, or there's a something, a party coming in for you. No? Kasi this is something, a Scorpio season. No? Kumaga happy birthday to all of you guys out there na nag-celebrate for seasons, no? For a Scorpio. So let's see what is the synchronicities. And because this is something, a joy, magiging maligaya ka na this moment. And there's a magician for manifestation, no? And there's the word called, mababago talaga yung mundo ginagalaw mo. Alam nyo guys, this is a God is in charge, no? Kumbaga yung mata ng ating Panginoon nakatingin sa'yo. Talaga, you are blessed, no? You are being blessed this week. So, maaaring maging maganda ng takbo ng eksena mo. And there is something between the lines. So, see, may mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita, ipapakita na dito. And there's a bonding with intimacy. Kailangan nyo ng bonding ng person mo sa isa't isa. And there's a something proposal. Magkakaroon kayo ng proposal dito. Magkakaroon ng higher level commitment. Maaaring ikasal kayo. Or magkaroon ng engagement. For the energy, represent what? For the energy, represent victory. Wow. Tagumpay. Diba? Kampay, guys. May tagumpay na. Diba? Tagumpay. And this is something, 7 chakra ay kakilurial about sa finances. Pasabog. Ito yung linggo ng bulabog. Dahil ito ang linggo ng, kumbaga, pag-harvest na, no? Pag-aani, and there's a man holding ako. If you are a man, ikaw yung may hawak ng finances. If you are a women, yung person may hawak ng finances. For Archangel Michael messages, self-respect. Kailangan mo na respeto sa sarili mo, ha? Keep your eyes on your target intention. Lagi mong titingnan yung ano ba talaga yung purpose mo, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo, ano ba yung pangarap mo, doon ka tumutok. No? And the situation is already resolved. At itong sitwasyon na ito maaaring na-solusyon na, natapos na. And you created the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo. Ikaw din yung makakagawa ng paraan para makalaya at makaalis ka dyan. For the angels answer, represent what? Peaceful resolution. Magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan solution and ask your angels, no? Magkakaroon ka ng peaceful resolution and kumaga wingi ka ng gabay sa ating angel spirit, no? And this is something if you believe, basta naniniwala ka, diba? Ipagkakaloob na talaga yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Additional messages with an angel spirit, guys, for angel spirit. Okay, this is something pa psychic abilities. Oh my God, mayroon kang kakayanan talaga, Scorpio. No? Kumbaga, you are being blessed with your talent and skills. And this is just, oh my goodness, there's a prophecy, I told you. So, diba? Nakalantad na talaga yung posibleng maganap na mangyari. Bago pa yan ibigay sa'yo, nakasaad na yung mga bagay o posibleng maganap sa'yo. No, may kakayanan ka, may ilalantad na makikita mo na yung mangyayari sa hinaharap. Oh my God! Kinikilabutan ako. There's something spiritual activation. Nag-a-activate yung kakayanan mo. Ang makita. No, yun lang mga bagay na posibleng maganap. No, yung mangyayari sa hinaharap. There's something psychic abilities. Lalantad na at malalaman mo na yung kakayanan mo. Congratulations, Scorpio! Ito na. This is the moment. No, ang paglabas. No? Ng kakayanan tungo sa tagumpay na inaasam-asam for the chakra. And there's a perseverance, konting pagtsatsaga, no? Kailangan mo magtsaga sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. And there's a perception, baguhin mo yung mindset mo. And there's this acceptance. Marami ka pang matatanggap. There's something guides no, sa likod mo na unti-unti mo nang malalasap, no? Yung hiwaga ng kakayanan at kapalaran na ipagkakaloob sa'yo. Bago pa yan ibigay sa'yo, nakatadhana na mangyari yan. Ganon. Oh my God. Ang nakatakda na at itinakda. Ganon. For additional messages. So there's a blame. Na wala kang ibang sisisihin. Na kung ano man yung mga pagkakamali at kabiguan mo sa buhay, there's a something relationship. Na kung maga talagang ibinibigay sa'yo lahat ng pagsubok na yan, sa lahat ng aspeto, dahil huhubugin ka kung paano mo patatatagin ang sarili mo kung hanggang sa kakakapit sa paniniwala sa ating Panginoon. For romance angels, it's safe for you to love, no? Pagdating sa pag-ibig, safe ka naman daw pag nagmamahal. There's a heart-to-heart to conversations, no? Kumbaga mag-uusap kayo with the heart-to-heart. For Monsology, represent what? Take time to breathe out. No? Kailangan mo ng oras para pag-isipan, no? Para huminga. And there's you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para may sa kataparan yung mga pangarap mo. And a fair climax approaches. So, malapit ka na sa exciting part. Additional messages and speaker, something orasyon. Kumbaga, you are also virtuous. No? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo magpagana ng mga orasyon. And this is something infinite abundance. So, magiging masagana na ang kalusugan, magiging masagana na ang buhay mo dito. No? Archangel Raphael messages. Divine intervention, paalala sa iyo ng ating gabay, there's something second life, no? Pangalawang buhay mo na to. Maaring nabuhay ka na sa nakaraang eksena or maaring nagkaroon ka ng sakit na malubha tapos nabuhay ka ulit. No, binigyan ka ng pag-asa, there's something yes, no? Maaring nagkaroon dito ng revert, guys. So, let's see what is additional messages. Big picture thinking. So, this is something visionary. No, pinapakita sa dito na yung mga bagay na ito na naaring nakita mo sa panaginip mo na may ganito kang eksena, karangyang buhay, gantong, di ba, lahat ng kaganapan sa'yo, may nagsisingkit sa utak mo yan. No, pumapasok sa'yo lahat ng mga bagay na nagganap na. No, it's either reincarnations, ganyan. And this is something weight of the world, no? Kumaga, bitawan mo yung bigat, no? Na alam mong hindi mo kayang bitbitin. Na mag-set ka na boundaries sa sarili mo. Hindi lahat ng mga pasakit, hindi lahat ng responsibility at obligasyon ay pinapasan mo. For Jesus' loving quote said, and there's a blessed are the peacemaker for they shall called the chair of God. So, si binibless daw yung tao mas pinipili yung kapayapaan kaysa patulan yung mga walang kabuluhang bagay. Lalo-lalo na yung mga taong hinihila ka pababa at sumisira sa iyo. No, hayaan mo siya. No, the more na binababa ka nila, iaangat ka ng ating Panginoon. For angels number, there's a 999 for release, no? Unti-unti na makakaalis at unti-unti na makakawala. Your current circumstances are ending, so might take advantage to better ones. If you're experiencing a significant change or conclusion, viewing your life as a series of cycle or chapter may be helpful. How can you make room for something new to emerge? So see, unti-unti mo nang papaalisin yung sarili mo sa lahat ng lungkot, sa lahat ng kaguluhan sa buhay mo. Dahil kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, ay maaaring bumalik sa iyo. Kung may mga bagay na gagawin ka, kailangan pag-isipan, pagmunihan, maging mabuti sa lahat ng eksena, maging mabuti sa puso mo, maging mabuti sa kapwa mo. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa sa iyo, hindi daan yon para gumanti at gumawa ka sa kanila ng hindi maganda. No, hayaan mo ang ating Panginoon ang maghusga, no, at hayaan mo ang ating Panginoon ang magparusa. So let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent what? Together in the light. No, magsasama tayo sa liwanag. Ipapakita sa iyo dito kung anong sayaan at kaligayahan, no, ang mararating mo at makikita mo sa dulo. I give thanks for all who enter in my life. Understand we are all exactly who and where are supposed to be, and everything contributes to each other to personal growth. Every reaction someone draws for me is a gift from their soul to mine, meant to help me, free me from my inner conflicts today by focusing on my own development rather than on others. Plus, I become one of the divine. So see, kumbaga minamahal mo na kung ano man yung mga negativities, ano man yung mga positivities na nangyayari sa buhay mo, sinusurrender mo na sa ating divine. No? Kumbaga alam sa sarili mo lahat na nangyayari na to ay itinakda at nakatandahana na talaga. Hindi mo na mababago at hindi na magugulo pa, at ito ay maisa sa katuparan pa. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of November 4 hanggang November 10 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. But don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.